Good morning, guys, and welcome to Adil Freezing from Canada. Wow, what do you see here? See, it is really freezing. Wow, yesterday, if you saw the video that I had of the same place, there's nothing else clean. Anyway, that I have to clean all the snow, move it all the way from the car, from the roadside or the pathway, so that no one trips. If anyone trips, then I get in trouble. Let's clean out that one and all these. So, and this is my table. Let's see how it is. And now, after eating breakfast, it's the day to start my working day. That's my office. It's really messy. They have the board. I have two screens here, and that's my chair. I need to put a background here, so today I'm gonna buy a background so to just make it amazing when I do a live videos. So that's how my screens are, and that's my webcam, which I think I'm gonna change it. And yeah, that's my service printer, mic, and let's start the day. Raqad is happy. Why is she happy?
Because there's no school, actually.
Turn to me that there's no school.
I've been telling him there's no school, and he called the school, and they said no school.
Yeah, after I went there, right?
Yeah.
So bad.
You're so bad at you.
And I drove all the way to school. I went and I waited for the bus and went to school, and then there's no bus, there's no school. What is this?
No students, and now let me go back home.
Where you going? Where you going? You don't want to go to school? The benefits of lockdown is that
Wow!
I get to carry the kids with me on the car. I cannot let them enter with their mom. We cannot enter the no frills. We cannot go together as a family. No,
Then can we go to the Rexall drugstore?
only one person can go to the no frills or whatever.
Then can we go
And
to
the other dad, the other parents has to be in the car with these beautiful kids.
Bobby, actually.
That's the corona lockdown. What are you guys saying? Do you guys face this or no? You know, we can't leave them at home because they're small, right? So you have to pick them up with us.
You guys are rude. Every time after we're done eating, just today.
Okay.
And then we eat, and then you gotta eat whatever you want.
Can you repeat that again?
Okay, Bob. Imagine every this day of the week.
Mhm.
Okay. When it's time to eat,
Mhm.
imagine we're eating, and then after we're done eating, you can eat something whatever you want. That's not healthy.
Okay, so now you want me to break my diet that I'm trying to do?
Didn't you say only one day of the week?